To download resume from Canva as a PDF, let's click on this resume and we want to find the template we want to work with for our resume. Once you find something that grabs your attention, you click on it and you customize the template. And I would edit this resume to be my own. Let's go over to upload to just make it our own. I want to drag my image into the resume. You can edit your text. Once you're done editing your resume and changing the text in these text boxes, making the templates your own, you will come over to share here and click on download, and you see it's on PDF standard. If you click this drop down, you will see that this is best for documents and emailing. If you intend to send your resume as an email, you can use this PDF standard. But if you intend to print your resume, you come over to PDF print, and once you're happy with your settings, you click on download.